Hi, my name is Melissa Godfrey, and this is my UDL Instructional Plan project demonstration. For this assignment, I am focusing on the portion of the lesson where the students are utilizing the web-based digital resource Seesaw. Seesaw is a great resource and tool that can be used in grades as early as pre-K all the way up until high school. Seesaw is academic focused, however, students are able to have a lot of choice when accessing this resource, and they also are extremely engaged when using this resource. This resource also is easy to navigate and it holds students accountable for their learning. For this lesson, the use of Seesaw focuses in the area of representation. So students are using Seesaw and they're able to use multiple means of representation when using Seesaw. So specifically, Seesaw provides options for perception, and there are options that customize the display of information. So students are able to use this resource to share their learning, and they are able to share their learning in multiple ways, whatever works best for them. So students can take images with a camera and upload those photos to Seesaw, and I will show you later in this presentation how the students were able to do that. Students can also draw pictures using the different drawing tools, and students can record their voice. So there's lots of options for Seesaw, and students feel comfortable and it's easy to navigate. This lesson started out with an observation walk where students walked around the classroom and looked at different images, real photographs of living and non-living things. This lesson is a science lesson that infuses cross-curricular skills such as reading and writing skills. Students first had discussions about what they saw in the pictures during their observation walk, and then they had discussions, and after the introduction, they came all together and this teacher explicitly taught what a living thing is and what a non-living thing is, using real images, real photographs. Once the teacher explicitly taught the difference between living and non-living things through books, songs, and visuals, students were taught how to take pictures using their iPads. So on Seesaw, there is a feature that allows students to take pictures and upload it right into their Seesaw account. So every student in the class has their very own Seesaw account, and it's represented by their name and the little picture. Then students can upload images using the camera feature on the iPad, and they can save those photos. So when I use this app, I explicitly model for them how to take real photos and how to upload those photos to their platform. Then students can use those photos later on to share their learning. So this is an example of students who use Seesaw to share their learning about living things. And as you can see, the student is taking a picture. So a student took a picture of the student taking a picture and showed that he's a living thing. And they are able to write their name, so they're using writing, and they're able to write the word living. These are examples of living things that students took pictures of. And then they also have the feature on their iPads or on Seesaw to record their voice as well. And here are some other examples. They took pictures of their teachers to show living things and plants and their friends. And they were able to write the word living because these represent living things. And then they wrote their name to show it's their work. Students also had an option if they did not want to use the photo feature on Seesaw with actual photos. They could make a project out of magazine images and cut and paste, and then they glued it on to a chart, and then they can actually use Seesaw to take a picture of their work and then talk about their work on the Seesaw app. And something that's super unique about Seesaw is that it goes directly to anyone who has access to their platform. So if students' parents have access to their child's platform, their work will go directly to the Seesaw app and their parents can access their child's work. So Seesaw offers so many different options for students to share their learning, and it makes learning fun, and it makes even just the assessment piece enjoyable and fun. And there are multiple different ways students can use this app. So Seesaw is a great resource, and it's a great component to the lesson that I am focusing on for this assignment. Thank you for watching.